The use of precast concrete was pivotal to complete the look of the building while also providing blast-resistant design. The ability to use precast concrete to construct a new building while maintaining the integrity of the original 1912 facade was incredible. They were able to 3D scan the historic facade to establish the precast profile. Then, using the profile in formwork, these incredible precast pieces were produced in a precast concrete plant.
The team's ability to utilize the flexibility and adaptability of precast to emulate the historic limestone facade resulted in a seamless integration of the historic context and the new buildings while providing for the new additional program areas. Also, because the cost savings of the precast solution, the precast concrete was able to incorporate the level of details and reveals needed to complement the historic structure.
The ideas and methods used to preserve history and tie it together in a new building made precast concrete the obvious choice.